Hello, assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Today, I will talk about very important functions. I mean, the or tabs, right? So, text to column. So, when you will have the CSV file or any other file, actually, right? Mostly CSV file. So, data will be separated using the comma, right? So, maybe you have these types of data, for example, comma separated data, right? But you cannot analyze this data as you are a beginner, right? Okay, so in that case I need to uh, make it in a proper column, right? So just I'm just deleting it. Okay, so just see this, select this column and go to the data, go to the text to column, right? And please select the delimited. Okay, so next. So how my data is separated? My data is separated using the comma. That is why I select the comma, right? And see here, all the data is already separated and it's a previewer actually. Just click next and it's finished. Okay. So here are all the data are separated, right? Now the east data, north data, south data, for example, I'm just making a table. I mean, just create the boundary and make it a central. So now you can analyze your data, right? So this is the function of text to column formulas, right? On the other hand, okay, I'm making it click here. Okay, text formulas, right? On the other hand, maybe your data uh, somehow, it's a hypothesis actually, maybe your data is organized or separated by the plus sign, right? Okay, just select this column, go to the data and text column. In the delimited, I selected the delimited, right? And click next. We see here there is no function like tab, semicolon, comma, space, right? But my data or our data is separated by the plus sign. That is why just click other and write the plus sign here, right? Okay, just next, finish. Now your data is organized and separated, right? So it doesn't matter actually how your data is separated. In here you will see, if you go to the text column, oh I'm sorry, because there is no data. For example, here text column, right? So if you go to the delimited, here if your data is delimiters by tab or separated by tab, you can use the tab or semicolon or comma or space. But when you will have no option within this, then you will click the other and click here what types of sign you are, for example hash, for example at the rate of, for example plus, for example any other, right? So in this way, right? So it's a very simple but powerful calculation or powerful part of data analysis, right? Especially when you will have the CSV data file. So enjoy text to column formulas, right? So after the next video, I will be here. If you have any comments, please write me, right? Okay. Bye bye.